Okay, we are up to day 9. My goodness, look at this. The box is getting emptier and emptier. That's a sign that my quarantine is nearly coming to a close. Oh, how exciting. Okay, so let me put that back there. And there's number 9, the odd one out. Okay, cool. It's a poster, maybe. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay. Cute. You can see a little gift card. I'm gonna rip it, right? Okay. Please do not bend. Oops. It says please do not bend. Oh, I don't think I bent it. Let's have a look. Must be, maybe it's a photo. Oh, something's happening there. Oh, look at the paper. How lovely is that? You've got little koi fish on that. Not sure what that says, but I'm sure it's something positive. So it's well wrapped. So look at this. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh. Okay, that slid off. Oh, there's more, but wait, there's more. Or maybe I'm supposed to pull this out. Yes. Okay. Oh, it's tissue paper. This is getting serious. Tissue paper. This is fine art. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it's very delicate. Oh my! Oh, is there a note here? There is a note here. Oh, it's from Elsa. Let's see. Yep, here we go. So, hi Marshall, as you will miss out celebrating Chinese New Year in Hong Kong, I have a drawing of an ox drawn by me. Wow! And some Fai Chuns written by my mother. Oh, this is special. For you to decorate your home with on Chinese New Year. A Fai Chun DIY kit is also included for you to pass your time during quarantine. In the kit, you will find a brush pen, red sheets for Chinese style Fai Chun, and white sheets for Korean style Fai Chun. Hope you will like them. I do like them. I love them. Best regards, Elsa. Thank you. That is a wonderfully thoughtful gift. Wow. Super creative. Now I want to be really, really careful with this. I'm really, really keen to see. Oh, I see. It's sticky tape. So this is very delicate. Oh, look at that. Not sure if you can see that. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. That paper's very, very delicate. I can feel it. That is beautiful. Wow, that texture is so unique. It's almost like suede. Wow. Okay, I'll just gently put that over there. It looks like this must be the... Yep, that's the kit. Haha, that's great. Okay, so be careful with that. Let's have a look at... Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, I can see the ox. Amazing. Elsa, that is amazing. That is beautiful. Wow. That is really special. I can't believe you did that. That is so talented. Thank you. What a unique and wonderful, thoughtful gift. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now to get some painting done and become a bit of a Chinese Monet soon.